Welcome! In this video we will see some fascinating facts about Europe that you might not know about. From the world's largest church to a rainforest in Europe, these facts will surprise you. Fact number 1, Barcelona's Sagrada Familia is taking longer to build than the pyramids. The Sagrada Familia is a famous cathedral in Barcelona, Spain. It has been under construction since 1882 and is not expected to be completed until at least 2026. To put that into perspective, the Great Pyramids of Giza were built over 4,500 years ago and took about 20 years to complete. Fact number 2, Denmark has 7,000 government-approved baby names and 5 that are banned. Denmark is known for its strict baby naming laws. Parents must choose their baby's name from a list of government-approved names, which includes around 7,000 options. There are also 5 names that are banned, including Anus and Pluto. Fact number 3, 1 in 10 Europeans are conceived in an IKEA bed. According to a survey, this is what we learn about Europeans. This might be due to the popularity of IKEA furniture, which is known for being affordable and practical. And as we see, they must be very comfortable. Fact number 4, there is a rainforest in Europe. You might not think of Europe as having a rainforest, but it does. Perusica is one of the last remaining primeval forests in Europe. It is located in Bosnia and Herzegovina, near the border with Montenegro. It is part of the Sutjeska National Park. Fact number 5, Wales has a town with 57 letters in its name. The town of Llanfairpwll Gwaungiol Gogerich Wernddrobol Llantysilio Gogagach in Wales is famous for having 57 letters in its name. It's commonly known as Llanfairpwll or Llanfairpwll for short. Can you say it? Can you even dare to try it? Fact number 6, 10 villages in Scandinavia have the shortest city names, just 1 letter long. On the opposite end of the spectrum, 10 villages in Scandinavia have the shortest city names in the world, consisting of just 1 letter. Fact number 7, it is illegal to name your pig Napoleon in France. In France, it is illegal to name your pig Napoleon. This law was put in place to protect the honor of the famous French emperor. Fact number 8, of the British Museum's collection, only 1% is on display. The British Museum in London is home to over 8 million objects, but only 1% of them are on display at any given time. Fact number 9, it is illegal to have only 1 social pet in Switzerland. Switzerland has strict animal welfare laws, and one of them is that it's illegal to have only 1 social pet like a guinea pig or rabbit. They must be kept in pairs or groups. Fact number 10, Iceland doesn't have mosquitoes. If you're someone who's particularly sensitive to mosquito bites, you might want to consider moving to Iceland. The country doesn't have any mosquitoes due to its cold climate. Fact number 11, Europe is named for a Phoenician princess. The name Europe comes from Greek mythology. According to legend, Europa was a Phoenician princess who was abducted by Zeus and taken to the continent that now bears her name. Fact number 12, red wine flows from a fountain in Italy. The fountain is located in the town of Caldari di Ortona in the Abruzzo region of central Italy, and it was inaugurated in 2016 by the local Dora Sarchese winery. The fountain is a free public service that offers visitors a continuous flow of red wine from a traditional Italian spout, which is said to symbolize the blood of a local saint. Fact number 13, there are more bicycles than people in the Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for being a bike-friendly country, and it's no wonder since there are more bicycles than people there. The country has over 22.5 million bikes, which is more than the population of the country. Fact number 14, there are more than 200 languages spoken in Europe. Europe is a diverse continent, and this is reflected in the number of languages spoken there. There are over 200 different languages spoken in Europe, including official languages like English, French, and German, as well as regional languages and dialects. Fact number 15, 10 European countries still have monarchies. Despite many countries moving away from monarchies, there are still 10 European countries that have monarchies. These include the United Kingdom, Spain, Sweden, and Norway. Fact number 16, Monaco has the highest life expectancy. Monaco is a tiny principality on the French Riviera, but it's also known for having the highest life expectancy in the world. The average life expectancy there is 89.5 years. Fact number 17, it is estimated you are never farther than 10 miles from a lake in Switzerland. Switzerland is known for its beautiful scenery, and this includes its many lakes. It's estimated that you're never more than 10 miles from a lake in Switzerland, no matter where you are in the country. Fact number 18, the Czech Republic has the most castles. If you're a fan of castles, the Czech Republic is the place to be. The country has over 2,000 castles and chateaux, more than any other country in the world. Fact number 19, more chocolate is bought at Brussels Airport than any other place in the world. Belgium is famous for its chocolate, and it's no surprise that the most chocolate is bought at Brussels Airport. In fact, it's estimated that over 800 tons of chocolate are sold there each year. Fact number 20, St. Peter's Basilica is the largest church in Europe. St. Peter's Basilica, located in Vatican City, is the largest church in Europe. It's also one of the most famous churches in the world, known for its stunning architecture and artwork. Fact number 21, Luxembourg has the highest GDP. Luxembourg is a tiny country, but it has the highest GDP per capita in the world. This is due to its thriving banking and finance industry. Fact number 22, the most active volcano is in Sicily. Mount Etna, located in Sicily, is the most active volcano in Europe. It erupts frequently, but it's also a popular tourist attraction due to its stunning views. Fact number 23, Italians don't drink cappuccino after 11 a.m. If you're in Italy, you might want to avoid ordering a cappuccino after 11 a.m. It's considered a breakfast drink, and Italians believe that drinking milk-based drinks after that time can upset your stomach. That's it for our video about some fascinating facts about Europe. From strict baby naming laws to the world's largest church, Europe is full of surprises. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Consider to subscribe and like.